Hello and welcome back to Brick Loco. In this episode, I highlight a train locomotive based on a video game called Resident Evil. Resident Evil is a Japanese survival horror book, video game, and film franchise created by Capcom. The premise concerns biological weapons and viral incidents. The locomotive pulls a private passenger train for the evil Umbrella Corporation to transport workers to and from Raccoon City. It resembles a 1940s General Motors locomotive. Let me know if you are interested in building this MOC for your layout, and I will create a future video showing how.
Welcome to the Umbrella Chronicles. Accessing file number 249811149RC.
Biohazard. The outbreak occurred in the summer of 1998. It started in the American Midwestern town of Raccoon City and brought hell to Earth. The T-virus was developed as a biological weapon, proliferating amongst the unsuspecting public. It metamorphosed them into living death zombies. Umbrella's mission statement had always been preserving the health of the people, but beneath this bright statement lurked the shadow of Oswell E. Spencer's ambition.
End of file concerning the outbreak incident in Raccoon City.